Hey, third grade, today you're going to be taking your district unit assessment, and it is going to cover money, which we just did, rounding, addition and subtraction, word problems. You're going to have some number lines. So there's a lot of things in this assessment. I want you to do this assessment by yourself. No parents can help you, no brothers, no sisters, no aunts, uncles, grandmas. Nobody. I want you to do it alone by yourself because this is going to show me what you guys really know. All right? Get out a piece of scratch paper, get out some crayons or markers or pencils or whatever you want to write with. Or if you have a whiteboard at home, that also works. And I want you to be working out the problem on your unit assessment. If you send me a picture of you working out your work, I will give you 5 extra points on your unit assessment. Okay, attach a picture to this this Google Classroom assignment, and I will give you 5 extra points if you send me pictures of you showing your work. Okay, do the best you can, and then tomorrow we're going to go over all of the questions, and you will have a chance to make corrections if you need to. Okay, that's all. Good luck.